So let's see what we have today. We have Nvidia, Tesla, and Alibaba. So all these three items is from US market, and also the S&P is start coming down first and then is going up right now. So I just waited until to touch the good position, and I just bought around 1,000 share in Tesla, and also in Nvidia I bought 1,000 share, and the profit for today was around 1,300 USD. So that was not very bad, but it was very risky actually, but not was easy. So I just bought also 500 share on Alibaba, and the market takes around 10 minutes today for me. So I just waited until 10 minutes, and then I hit the target. Of course I can get more, but I just waited, and I don't want to risk a lot in the market, so I just come out quickly. So just let's see and what happened in the market. And also here is the one point, so you should always look to the S&P, because the market moving with S&P, if it's going up, so it's a little tricky actually sometimes, but so when S&P going up, but some shares is coming down, so should be always careful about the S&P, and it will show you what happened in the market. So it's very important to always look to the S&P 500. So what we have is already the Baba in the profit, and also I can see the Tesla is we have around 600 or 500 in the loss, but I know the S&P is going up, so I just waited until to hit my target. And here we have also Nvidia is also in the loss around 300, and the maximum for me for each position is around 1,000, and if my position go more than 1,000 in the loss, I will close that position. So that's my strategy, and also is risk also, but I always wait until to hit my target, but sometimes it's hit, sometimes it's not. So just let's see what happened, and is around 7 minutes left, so yeah, it's just waiting. So but you can see they hit the target. So here I just put my TP, and Baba is around 380, and also I put my TP on Nvidia around 500 USD. So the market, you can see, is going up, and yeah, we just waited on and then see the result. In S&P, the market is first coming down and then go up. So that's always but sometimes S&P is it's coming down and then go up. Sometimes it's go first up and then coming down. So you should always wait around 5 minutes and 10 minutes, and then you will see what's going on market. So we will see it. I just also put Nvidia in 500, around 600 in profit, and in Alibaba is around 380, and I put also in Tesla around 650. So we have here Alibaba is going up, so you can see is just a little in profit, so wait until to hit the target. Of course I can get more, but I just so I just want to come out very quickly from the position, so that's also better to never lose a position. So we have also Nvidia is going up again. So which one is hit first? So Nvidia is around 400. Yeah, let's see, Nvidia is around the touch. Yeah, so we come out from Nvidia, and Nvidia touch our target. So the only left is Tesla and Alibaba. Let's see what happened on Baba. around 300 in profit. So it's still waiting for Baba and Tesla. S&P is still going up. Always look to the S&P. If it's coming down and they change the trend, I will also close all my position. But I can see the S&P is going up. So here we have also Alibaba is around now is touching my target around 330. So yeah, so touch my the target, and here you can see, and only left is Tesla in loss. And let's see, and of course it's touch around, I will close it around 300 or 200, I couldn't remember, but I just closed around this area, so I don't want to risk a lot. So yeah, but Baba and Nvidia is still going up because of S&P 500 is going up. So forecast the market from S&P. If S&P is go up, so just hit the buy, and if it's going down, just sell it. So but you should also accept the risk, because the market is very risky. So and you need to do it and practice it a lot, so until to arrive to that point, and you can manage all the position and your money also. So just waiting. And in Tesla I put the TP on around 650, but I just close it around 200 or 300. So just wait here. So here I decide to close it and go up. It's coming down. Just wait it, because I was not sure about this S&P is coming. So here it's around, I close my position. Yeah. So here I close also my position in Tesla, and today around was 1,200 or 300 USD. That was the profit and also the result. Thank you for watching, and if you want to also join to the Colmex Pro, that so this platform I use, so you can just click on the link in description, and then you go directly to the landing page to sign up. If you sign up from this link, so you will get 30-day and 1 month's free fee, and you don't need to pay any fee to the broker. So that's very good option. You can also use that. And thank you for watching, and have a nice day, and see you tomorrow.